Okay, let's talk. So, this is about the race to 1,000 subscribers. This is the thing I'm trying to achieve first. I think that's the real test, is to find out if 1,000 people will subscribe to the channel. Like what we do, like what we say, like the way we film and what we produce. Now we've only got a couple of videos up on the channel and it's been quite a lot of fun, so we'll see where this goes. Okay, so we're going to be focusing on mainly tech, cameras especially, video and photography side of things, a little bit of studio photography, portrait photography, going to be doing a fair amount with drones. We're fully licensed drone pilots here. So not just the world of tech, we have a massive interest in what we can film and take photographs of. Absolutely everything from landscapes, portraits, weddings. There's lots out there that we love to film and photograph, and there's no set subjects that we have to stick to, or so much of what I have learned has come from YouTube, and I'm hoping this channel is a small way of giving back. I'm hoping to just share experiences. I hope that you get to enjoy what we make. I love making films, that's my passion, is what I do. I've worked extensively in the world of weddings for the last 10 years and it's certainly something I'd like to think I have a fair bit of knowledge in. There's a lot more we're hoping to achieve this year and really branch out our filmmaking into styles that we just haven't done before. There's so much that I want to film, so much that I want to photograph, so much I want to share with you all. These next 12 months I have set aside purely for this YouTube channel, and it really is something that I'm hoping you will come along for the ride. We'll be posting 3 videos a week. They will range everything from tech, the world of cameras especially, but all sorts of tech, anything that we're interested in, to be honest, things that have been related to our work, but also things that we just enjoy. I have quite a history with Japanese imports, and that's also something I'll be looking at doing, more of a documentary style film, but you'll see in good time. Along with all of that, we'll be doing unboxing and reviews on all the latest tech. As I've already mentioned, cameras especially, everything in the world of cameras, lenses, lighting, all the gear that goes along with that, but as I say, we'll be focusing on a lot of tech as well. So, 1,000 subscribers, that's what we're aiming for. I'm hoping we get there soon. We have so many ideas for the channel, but we do want to make sure that people are interested in what we've got to say. As soon as we hit those 1,000 subscribers, we will then be able to reveal a lot more of what we're hoping to do in the next 12 months. I do hope you like the other videos we've got already uploaded. Have a look, do subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon if you do want to be kept notified of our latest videos, and we look forward to seeing you next time on Roto.